some carb buildup on the plug. It's probably time to change it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm shaking pretty bad here for some reason, but we'll throw a new plug in there, see how it runs. Maybe that was a problem. I don't think so. I think it's more carburetor related. I think I'm going to pull all the parts out of this Chinese knockoff and throw them in the stock Mikuni. More thing we're going to do before we try firing it up real quick, we're going to take the line off of the bottom here that's going to the carburetor, and then we're going to turn the petcock on and see if we can flush some of the crap out that's in that fuel filter. I didn't realize, oh god, yeah, that right there is why the bike's not running right. Yeah, I didn't realize it was that bad. That's worse than it was before. I must have sucked all that in there from running it low on gas. Damn it. All right, we'll see what we can do. I was kind of afraid of this. Next step, compression test. I've been thinking it's been pretty low on power, and I'm pretty sure we're about to determine that, but luck of the Irish, we'll see. All right, you guys, see what we get here. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. A little more compression than that. Come on. Come on. She needs rings. Fucking goddamn it. Oh, that sucks. Anyways, talk to you guys on the next video. Plans. Oh shit, man. I don't know now. Obviously need to buy a ring and piston. I probably can get away with just a ring. But dude, shit's so cheap for these, I might as well just get the ring and piston too. Bottom end's fine. Oh, check the gear oil next. Need to flush out that tank. I didn't think the compression would be that freaking low, but that's the way she goes.